Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can add friends to Travel Town. In order to do so, here we are in Travel Town for iOS, and what we're looking for can be found here at the bottom right hand corner. We're going to click our map icon, and then from here, we're going to select the 3-bar icon at the bottom left hand corner. And then from there, you can see this option that says Travelers. We're going to go ahead and click on that there, and then you can see this is where you can add friends, and all you have to do is just click add next to the name of the person that you want to add, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our Linktree. There you will find our socials and our top AI tool recommendations. Go ahead and click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.